On January 6, 2024, halo orbit insertion of its solar observatory spacecraft, Aditya-L1 was accomplished at 16.00 hours, approximate, on January 6, 2024, IST. The final phase of the maneuver involved firing of control engines for a short duration. The orbit of Aditya-L1 spacecraft is a periodic halo orbit, which is located roughly 1.5 million kilometers from Earth on the continuously moving Sun-Earth line with an orbital period of about 177.86 Earth days. This halo orbit is a periodic, three-dimensional orbit at L1 involving Sun, Earth, and a spacecraft. This specific halo orbit is selected to ensure a mission lifetime of 5 years, minimizing station-keeping maneuvers and thus fuel consumption and ensuring a continuous, unobstructed view of Sun. The Aditya-L1 mission is an Indian solar observatory at Lagrangian point L1 for observing and understanding the chromospheric and coronal dynamics of the Sun in a continuous manner. Placing the Aditya-L1 in a halo orbit around L1 point has advantages as compared to placing in a low Earth orbit, LEO. It provides a smooth Sun spacecraft velocity change throughout the orbit, appropriate for helioseismology. It is outside of the magnetosphere of Earth, thus suitable for the in-situ sampling of the solar wind and particles. It allows unobstructed, continuous observation of the Sun, and view of Earth for enabling continuous communication to ground stations. The insertion of Aditya-L1 into this halo orbit presents a critical mission phase, which demanded precise navigation and control. A successful insertion further involved constant monitoring along with the adjustment of the spacecraft's speed and position by using onboard thrusters. The success of this insertion not only signifies ISRO's capabilities in such complex orbital maneuvers, but gives confidence to handle future interplanetary missions. The picture shows the halo orbit insertion process, graphically in a two-dimension picture. The Aditya-L1 spacecraft was moving from Earth towards the L1 point in the direction of Sunday. The TCM-1 and 2 firing oriented the spacecraft toward the halo orbit, making it reach the HOI condition, which is a minimum fuel consumption condition, as on January 6, 2024, marked by the red dot. The final firing was done at this point, making the spacecraft align with the halo orbit. If the HOI maneuver was not conducted as done today, the spacecraft would have moved in the direction marked, without HOI. Congratulations to our scientists.